Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Apsey, your Warren, Michigan dentist here at 586-573-7700. And today I'd like to speak about my tips for avoiding tooth decay. Unfortunately, even though we've got fluoride added to the water and people are coming in for regular dental checkups and having fluoride treatments in the office, we are still seeing dental decay. It is on the rise, and it has a lot to do with the types of diets. I think the hurried lifestyle that we're in, and the types of diet that hurried lifestyle tends to uh, promote. Um, Basically, uh, foods and drinks that contain acid and sugar are the worst culprits for causing tooth decay. So my recommendations are, first of all, to avoid in between meals sweet or acidic foods or beverages. That includes any beverage containing citric acid, phosphoric acid, sugar. Um, that includes juices, natural fruit juices as well. Any sports drinks, any flavored water. Most of these products contain acid and are damaging to the teeth. So in between meals, my recommendation is that you stick with water. If your kids are in sports and they need to be drinking something containing electrolytes, which is necessary, they should be drinking smart water, which is going to provide them with those necessary electrolytes, and but it's not acidic. If you're going to have juice, of course we recommend drink that people drink fruit juices. They contain minerals and vitamins. They're an important part of the diet, but they should, if you're going to have them, you should have them with meals only. Be sure to brush and floss, or at least rinse with water after meals. Consider home brewed green or black tea, possibly sweetened with xylitol, and I'll get to xylitol in a little bit. Teas contain natural fluoride, and they also help to prevent overgrowth of bacteria in the mouth. So my recommendation between meals is that in the morning or the night before, you have a pot of tea made, and that tea can be iced down, and it's a wonderful, refreshing drink between meals, and it has certain benefits that'll help to prevent decay. Consider adding xylitol to your diet. Xylitol is a natural sweetener which is extracted from birch trees, strawberries, and various other natural sources. It's healthy for the mouth in that it helps to reduce bacterial levels. It also helps to neutralize the acids in the mouth. So after a meal that with any acid-containing foods or any sugar, if you follow that meal with a xylitol piece of gum or a mint, it's going to help to very quickly reduce the acids in your mouth. I have a patient, an adult patient, who had really perfect oral hygiene. He was one of my model patients in that regard. But year after year, exam after exam, he would generally have one or two cavities. And it was really disturbing. We finally found out that he had a habit of eating mints between meals, and we replaced those mints with xylitol mints. Since he's been doing this for the last 3 years, he has had not one cavity. So with excellent oral hygiene plus the addition of xylitol to his diet, we were able to eliminate the decay. We also recommend, as far as brushing and flossing, we do recommend a minimum of twice daily to reduce level of harmful bacteria adhering to your teeth. There are bacteria between your teeth. You've got to get in there with the floss. The brushing is not enough. The floss, when done properly, is going to really eliminate the majority of bacteria between your teeth. It's very helpful. Also, we recommend that you use, if you're struggling with decay, you should use a fluoride rinse before bedtime. So after brushing and flossing, rinse your mouth with fluoride. There are many on the market. Act, FluoriGuard, Listerine has a product. Fluoride becomes incorporated into the enamel and hardens the teeth, makes them more resistant to decay. But the main things are diet, watching the number of times in the day that you have something acidic or sweet, and the addition of xylitol to your diet. Thank you for listening.